Notcoin Part 2 is back, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know what's going on, well, the Part 2 of the Notcoin game is back, and here is your opportunity to make money. If you missed Part 1 that made a lot of people a lot of money, here is your opportunity to make money, okay, with this new version of the Notcoin game, the Notcoin version 2. Well, the first thing you would want to do would be to use the link in the description. Okay, if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so what is this page all about and how can you make money? Well, let me explain a little bit. Okay, this part 2 or Notcoin version 2 is called Notcoin Explore, and how this works is that projects, okay, cryptocurrency projects would go to the market and buy Notcoin. After buying Notcoin, they'll come here to create a campaign, okay, with the Notcoin, the bot. Okay, they will simply click on this right here, and then they will come here, submit your project for Notcoin Explore. So they will just go through the processes and the requirements for submitting their project and creating a campaign. And once they are done with all of this, their campaign would appear here, and you and I would simply perform the tasks of the campaign to earn Notcoin, and your Notcoin would reflect here. Okay, and of course you can see my wallet is already connected. Whatever Notcoin earned, you can connect your wallet and receive them in your Tonkeeper wallet, and from your Tonkeeper wallet you can actually sell it for USDT. Okay, so you see how simple it is. Now there are a few more things to understand. Once projects have created their campaign here, okay, their campaign would appear here like this for you. For example, you can see the one that appears for me. Okay, all I need to do is to simply click on this and perform the tasks of this campaign. I'm going to come back to this, okay, but let me show you a few other things. You can see I am on the bronze level. If I click on that, that's going to show me the 3 levels available here: the bronze level, the gold level, and the platinum level. Okay, so the higher you are on the level, the more lucrative campaigns will be available for you. If the campaigns available for a level are not lucrative enough, what you can do is to scale up in level. Okay, for example, for me to move to the gold level, if I click on that, and now it is going to show me the requirements for scaling up to the gold level. Okay, you can see for me to scale up for 3 months, I would have to pay either 1,380 Notcoins or buy with 1,380 Telegram stars. I hope you know Telegram has got a payment system in stars. Okay, you can buy these stars, will buy Notcoin, send to your wallet and use it to upgrade in level. Okay, remember, the higher you go in level, the higher your earning opportunity. Okay, and then of course there is another way to earn. You can invite your friends. Okay, and as you can see here, 15% when your friends level up. Okay, so you get 15% each time your active friends level up. Okay, so now let's look at this so you see what I'm saying. Click on this explore and earn. So you can see now this campaign requires me to do a number of things. One of them is to join their chat, so I'm going to click on the join. Now after joining, the next task is going to open for you. Okay, so subscribe to announcement channel, so I'm going to do this, and as you can see, the next will open, and this is how you would have to do it for all of the tasks here. So let me complete them. Now I have completed all the tasks. You can see what is displayed on my screen. You have started to earn Notcoin. Okay, so I can click back to Notcoin or close this page. Now as you can see, after completing the task is no longer here, and now I am in one active pool. Remember, before it displayed no pool. Now I have one active pool because this is the pool now that is earning me 0.01 Notcoin per hour, right? So this is basically how it works. Remember, Notcoin cooked the first time. There is absolutely no doubt that there is a high chance that they would cook this time. Okay, so if you're interested, click on the invite link to invite your friends on social media, and then of course you can scale in levels to increase the chances of getting more lucrative campaigns. Don't forget, I've got a Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description. We do giveaways, talk about crypto in there, and a lot of other interesting things. Of course, don't forget, my link is gonna be in the description. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is Biggs and this guy Ken signing off for now.